everybody, it is Louisa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. Just to let you know, this video was meant to be going up before Valentine's Day, but I just didn't get time to edit it, but I guess you could recreate this look any time of the year. So if you would like to achieve this look, which I'm currently wearing right now, then carry on watching because this is the look which I came up with. It's very nice and pink. Yeah, I kind of based it around pinks and quite highlighty and quite glossy as well. Like I've got glossy lips and I've got like lots of highlighter and I've got shimmery eyes. I know I'm not the most amazing person at makeup, but I tried my best, I tried my hardest. There's nothing much else I can do to change it. So yeah, I do hope you enjoy it anyways. Remember to give the video a massive thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and let's just get on into the video. So I started off just by tying my hair up into a high ponytail, just so my hair will be out of the way and won't get in my face when I'm doing my makeup. So the first product which I used was the Mario Badescu Rose Water Facial Spray, and I just sprayed this all over my face to create a nice base. I then used my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Fatigue Blur in Cool Rose and just pop this all over my face to prime my makeup and create a nice base, and it makes my skin quite dewy as well. For foundation, I mixed together my L'Oreal True Match and my Rimmel London Match Perfection foundation, because one of them is too light and then one of them is too dark, so when I mix them together it creates the perfect colour match for me. And then I just like dabbed it all over my face using my fingers. To blend in my foundation, I use my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. I have bought a new one since filming this video, so don't worry, I know it's got like cracks in it. But yeah, I just blended it in circular motions, and I really like the finish which this beauty blender gives off to my foundation. I then used the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral, I believe, and I just put a little bit of it underneath my eyes, as this a little goes a very long way, like you don't need much of it at all. And I really like this concealer. It's got a really nice coverage and it's really brightening under the eyes, and I really recommend it. And I blended it in using a pointed foundation brush because I feel like it gives the most coverage using this, and then I use my sponge just to blend it out. I then used my Laura Mercier loose setting powder to bake underneath my eyes. I'm not very experienced at like baking like powder, so I don't know if I did it right, but I tried my best, so I can't really complain. To set the rest of my face, I used my very well loved L'Oreal True Match powder. This is so good at setting your base into place. For bronzer, I used my new Urban Decay Naked Flush palette, and I took the bronze like shade out of it, and I actually really like this. My Naked Flush is in the shade Going Native, and it's really natural and really pretty. I then wiped my bake away using a Makeup Revolution powder brush. For blusher, I used my new California Benefit blusher. It's a really pretty like pinky corally colour, and I tried to do it quite subtle just because I don't like my cheeks to be bright pink, but it is very pretty. And then I used my Makeup Revolution Rainbow Highlighter. This is so like stunning. I really need to use it more because it's like blinding. It is gorgeous, and it's only like £4 from the drugstore, which is so good. Moving on to brows, I used my Collection Work the Colour Eyebrow Kit in the shade Blonde, I believe, and I just took the lightest colour and created like a base colour to my eyebrows. My eyebrows are really like gross in this video. It's because I like needed to get them done. I've got them done now because this was filmed a few days ago. But anyway, I then took the medium colour and just blended it out with a spoolie, and then took the brow gel to set them into place. And this brow kit's really good for beginners. I then moved on to my eyeshadow. So for my eyeshadow, I started off by using my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I used the shade White Peach for a base colour, as this is really nice just to like start off with. And then I used the colour Georgia. I just put this lightly through the crease, and it's just a very nice kind of pale colour, and again it's really nice just to set the crease off, and yeah, it's really pigmented. And then I used the shade Candied Peach and just popped that through my crease. This is a really nice peachy colour, and it's really nice for the spring and summertime. I then used my huge Makeup Revolution 144 Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and I took this hot pink colour and just placed this on like the outer third of my lid. I'm not very good at describing where I'm putting eyeshadow because I'm not really experienced at it, but this definitely adds some like Valentine's Day into it, because when I think of Valentine's I think pink. I then put concealer on like the first half of my lid. I didn't do all of my lid, and it's probably not a cut crease, but I just did it anyway. And then I took my Naked 3 from Urban Decay and used the colour Buzz, as this is a very nice shimmery pink colour, and I absolutely love this colour. And I just put this on my lid where I put the concealer. Back in my Sweet Peach palette, I took the colour Puree and put this in my crease just to darken it up. And then I took the colour Luscious and just popped this on the like first third of my lid just to add a bit of shimmer. And then I took Nectar in my inner corner and my brow bone just to add some highlight, and this is popping. I then just blended the whole eyeshadow look so there'd be no like harsh lines, and yeah, and I just took a bit underneath the eyes. And then I took some concealer just to tidy it up around the sides so it's nice and straight and neat, and this really does make a difference and makes it look a lot more like professional. And then I took my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I love the wand of this, it's really cool, it's like curved. And yeah, this is a really good mascara from the drugstore, and I'd really recommend it. It's very volumizing and it's not too clumpy. This is the eye look finished. And then moving on to lips, I took my Tanya Bow lip gloss in this beautiful like pink glossy colour, and obviously I just applied this onto my lips. I love pink gloss at the moment, I just think it's so nice, especially for this spring. I then took my NYX matte finish setting spray and just sprayed this all over my face. So this is the finished makeup look. Obviously Valentine's Day has been, but it is perfect for the spring and summer as well. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to give it a massive thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. And I'll see you guys next weekend for a new video. Bye!